Ek leer Afrikaans. How do I make this sentence future tense in Afrikaans? If you know, pause this video now and tell me in the comments. The answer is... Last chance to pause and answer now. Ek sal Afrikaans leer. I will learn Afrikaans. Did you get it right? Another possible answer is Ek gaan Afrikaans leer. To make the Afrikaans future tense, we replace the verb, in this case, leer, with sal or gaan, and then we move leer towards the end of the sentence. I am a qualified Afrikaans teacher, native speaker of the language, and language lover. If you want to book a lesson with me, check out the link on my profile to get 30% off your first lesson.